I think I got this upside down. Oops. As long as we've been having to wear masks, I always put mine on upside down. It's crazy, right? Miracle had fun at the mall. She just tired.
Oh, hey.
She said, "Hey, hey, how you doing?
What can I get for you?
Can I get a 6-piece chicken nugget kids meal?
Yes, ma'am. What can I do?
Let me get fruit punch, light ice, and I want Polynesian and buffalo sauce.
Okay.
And can I get 2 small vanilla cones?
We don't have cones. We only have our cups.
You want that?
That's fine.
Yeah, 2 small vanilla cups.
Okay. You know?
Do you want some drink or anything? That's it.
It's gonna be $8 even.
All right.
You take him right here for you.
And it come with fries, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't want no toy.
Asking do we upgrade?
Do y'all upgrade without the toy or no?
We do.
Can I upgrade my fry?
Instead of the toy?
Yeah, I don't need no toy.
It's gonna be $8 for it.
All right, thank you. Have a good night, sir.
I mean, why would you want to?
I don't know. Some people be wanting toys because they got cheering. They got cheerings.
I got that sushi, but I got it without the carrot, and it was fine.
You could taste the
It
difference.
tasted so much better.
Then that pickled carrot.
Yeah.
So-
And I was feeling kind of itchy afterwards. Like, not today, but last time when I had that carrot. But this time I felt fine. I
When you had
2
the pickled
pieces.
carrot.
Yeah. I don't know.
It might have been something in there that you can't eat. That's what I'm saying. Folks be doing too much. Just have a regular carrot. Why it got to be pickled? I had never heard of pickled carrots in no sushi anyway. That was a first.
Yeah, they didn't do it. It tasted so much better. It was real good.
It still had the rice, the avocado. Did it have onion in there?
It had I don't really remember. But
Did y'all eat in the back or did y'all eat?
Mom, we ate on the outside thing because she got there after 3.
So y'all was sitting there looking at everybody one by one.
We was talking about everybody.
I know y'all was. Cause that's what we did when we said my food. If I eat after 7, that's okay.
I ain't seen the dog in a minute.
Well, she at the house, and plus I need to go. I told you I'm going to Butchercom house tomorrow. They go to the
What they
liquor
gotta
store,
do
but
with
I know they ain't gonna
today?
have the wine there. I need to go get some wine, or some wine coolers or both. I don't know
Didn't
which
you
one
say
to
you was
get.
going to get those shots?
Yeah, Publix. Wait a minute, why the kids
We
meal
going by Publix
$8?
today.
The 6-piece kids meal for Chick-fil-A is $8.
Mama, we got the
the
2 ice cream.
Yeah, because I just thought about that. I was like, why is it $6? Wait, I mean $8. I was like, hold on. They don't even sound right. Oh, that's what it was.
It sucks being sick, y'all. Like, I was fine, and now I'm congested. Like, I don't.
Cause you done went out and about with all these folks.
No, we was up under the freaking vent.
Well, that's why they'll do it every time. Hello, how are you? Yeah. Do we get spoons?
Yes.
Yeah, one. We need one more. Cause
One more?
Yeah, it's 2 ice creams.
Okay, I'm sorry about that.
That's all right. Thank you. This one halfway open. Miracle, take the one that's closed all the way. Thank you, ma'am. You too. Thank you. I'm gonna need a hand sanitizer. I'm about to pull over and eat. What this car doing?
You talking about it's 2? You talking about it's 2 ice creams? She want the one that packed it.
Well, still, it's 2 ice creams, so it still should be 2. Can I park the car first before I put the sanitizer on my hand?
When we going inside Publix, I ain't been in there yet.
Publix. You know about Publix?
No.
Have to give you the
I still ain't been in that. What's that place called by your old job? What's that place? It's called something with a W. Wegmans, yeah. I cannot think of that.
I went in there the other day. It's 2 stories or something. I don't know the parking here.
Then when I was about to hang up, he said, "Hey," I said, "Yes." He talking about some.
Like gonna set it off. Go on, like what?
Talking about some. Hey, I said,
I
"Yeah."
heard parking right here.
He talking about some. Get me some pizza. I said, "What?" He said, "Go by that pizza place." I could have sworn he said, "I said peaches." What peaches place? He was saying.
Right,
I was like, "What are you talking about?"
I don't like we right here where the highway busy.
What are you talking about?
I don't like where the car park is. I'm moving. And plus when we trying to leave. So it is after 7. It's 7:04, guys. So it's not too bad. I ain't do too bad. I should have left before I should have ate before I left the house. I had ate some mom. Guys, comment down below if you like Chick-fil-A. And if you do like Chick-fil-A, what kind of sauce you like. I like Polynesian for my fries, and for my chicken nuggets, I like Polynesian and chicken nuggets mixed. Let me show y'all my little concoction in my lap. This is my little concoction in my lap. My Polynesian sauce, my fries, my nuggets, buffalo sauce, and crumbs. Teeter. Yeah. There's some big zucchinis, ain't there? They look good though.
That's squash.
I probably should have got a card.
I can go get it.
Alright, go get a card. Thank you. No, it's 2 for $7. You open back up. Okay, guys, I just got to Target because I need to get this wine for tomorrow. I'm going to hang out tomorrow, and I need to get a couple of beverages, adult beverages. And so I'm going to Target because Publix, the wine was entirely too high, out of my budget. So hopefully I can find what I'm looking for in Target.